Alright, here they are afterwards, as you can see.
Yeah, add some water down. You're fine. Yeah. Those brine shrimp won't survive, so you're good.
Now poke it with water.
Yeah, see what it does.
Or have you already been hooked?
These ones, they tensed up and then came back out.
Right. And honestly, I'd say it works better because with the empty transfer pipette, you're going to try and suck water up. So try and poke it and see how it reacts to that pipette.
I think the glass is messing it up there.
Alright, I'm gonna poke it. Ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Alright, I'm going to poke it again after leaving it alone for a little bit. Let's see, I'm gonna do the cut-up parts.
I'm gonna try. I'll try to take a picture of it.
What was that, 7?
Hey, as you guys are beginning to wrap up, take your petri dishes and just put them on the cart up front right next to Dr. Patel's desk. Cool? Thank you.
I'm gonna poke the other one.
They don't appear to be moving.
They really don't.
Try the one we didn't cut.
I'm gonna do the big one that we didn't cut.
Yeah.
Okay, let me use your phone. I have like 30 million cameras. I think.
There's like trying to cover itself, but it kind of stops halfway.
Yeah.
Alright, and then poke it until it releases its unconscious. Those are its tentacles.
Yep.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 4,
Doesn't look released.
77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 5, 6, 7, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 89, 100.
Doesn't even look like it's moving.
I know, but look, here, this is sticking to that.
Yeah.
One of like the white like threads.
Yeah. It's trying to stick to the